What up, gamers? It's me, Crexy. I am back for another Roblox video. And today I am deciding to play airplane for some reason. That's great. Alright, let's start. So I'm gonna do a 3-week series I'm gonna do the whole series of airplanes in 4 videos. This is actually gonna be part 1 out of the 4. And yeah, that's the best intro you get to say. Alright, we are waiting in the lobby to start. Looks like I am going to be the solo pilot. Let's do this. Alright, A11. Oh no, I'm not. Cool. A11. And this is A. Oh sweet, I got windows too. I love window seats. Just enjoying it and yeah. Alright, let's do this. Oh, hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 4095. We are currently flying 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay. So let's go. We shall go explore our airplane. Let's see. Restrooms. Okay, there's a back room full of cool stuff. Oh, that's where our co-pilots hang out. Okay. Now please find your seat, if we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Done. I'm already on my seat. We are about to go on high turbulence. It's about to get shaky or who knows. Let's see what we can find out. 2, 1. Oh yeah. Thank you for your cooperation. I have actually been on a plane that had turbulence like that, and it sucks. Alright, get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Is it free? I love free snacks. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! Ooh. I got my delicious sandwich. Now let's eat it. Nom. That was good. Oh, and there they go. Bye. Thanks for the free snacks. Uh-oh. Dot. I'm not feeling very well. The sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Wait, why? Oh. Oh no. Wait. We need to find Ash's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage. Love you. I found it! I am a hero. Yeah, that was a close one. Yes, we protect each other. Even though I'm doing a 4 game series. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you when you've reached an stable altitude, it would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. That's what I am going to do. Thank you very much. Alright. So we are nighttime. Join you. Night passengers, remember to stretch out your legs. We want a few hours to feel still. Done. Alright. It's just me and my partner. We're chilling. That was actually oh wow, it's a wing. What the heck? What the actual heck is that? What is that? It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. And who is that? There's a very creepy man. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? It is a very mysterious man. Dot dot dot. You will not. Are those snacks? Where are the snacks at? Oh yeah, there are snacks. No, they're going after her. I feel bad for her. Oh, they snacks. Those are all some good snacks right there. Those are all good snacks. Wait, guys, there's an open restaurant. Oh, okay, these guys will actually do damage. If I, oh yeah, they do. Let's go. Yes! No help taken. No help. Damage. Let's go, boys. Yay, we made it. It sounds like a bongo chime. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nailed it! That was scared. We should do this one. Is happening. Yes, siren. Protect my snacks. Now we know next. Not to trust snacks. Yes, we are surviving this because we have 6 and I apologize for that. And you know what? It's gonna be a fun. Power is back up. Yay! It's like a horror movie. I'm not gonna lie. This next one. Thank God. The creature is also gone. It's creepy. It is. Yeah, it's creepy. Your attention, customers. I have bad news. Okay, what's the news? The good news is power back up. Yay. The bad news is that we are losing oxygen. Oh. Yes. Oh, I got a corona mask. This is a corona mask, please. My new corona mask. That's how you protect from the Rona. So far, this game is cool. The mask will keep safe oxygen level. Now, why is this the worst airline ever? Because they never showed you these safety tips. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the heck? Of course I have one. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Calm down. Don't find something distracting. Yes. Yes, we must. Yes, we must be able to say me. I don't say my full name. Good job. Found a pair of scissors. Better get this right. Which cable should I cut? I will cut the blue hot wire. Yes. Go. Hey, I please myself from the bomb. The bam. Right, we need to continue. Okay. Why this game? So I've heard there was 4 more games. Oh, they died. We need to fix the captain's room. Agree. Agree. Going. How am I going faster? You can't handle the scan XP. Block. Uh-oh. What's happening inside? He might be in trouble. Yes, he might be in trouble. You never know. We need to get code. Just can't find it. Open it. Free it. Okay, I'm following her because she probably knows what she's doing. Oh wait, hold on. There it is. Found the code. Yay! We're gonna go save the captain. Let's go. What the heck? It's the creature. Nope. No. What is he talking about? What have I done? You think you're here on accident, but you're not. Dang, I got a good voice. I brought here all of you. Just the 2 of us, but yeah, whatever. Wait, that is not possible. Yeah, I think it is possible. Yeah, because it is. And now, it's time to die. See you in the afterlife. Yeah, I'm trusting her. Someone needs to take cover. We need to find the auto. Where's the autopilot? I think she might have found it. Alright, we gotta click on everything. Let's go. There's an autopilot. We see the plane. Yay, there's the plane. Yes. I just want to be home. Yeah, all of us do. Emergency phone. I can call phone. I never seen a phone. I think it was in the back of the phone. Where's the phone at? The phone at? Oh, yeah, there it is. I'm good. We need help. Captain, just don't everyone. Yeah, what are you doing? Alright. Let's go. There's one I have for you. Someone needs to. Oh, you need a pilot. inside. Okay, my partner decided to guess we're all enjoying this. Okay, everyone, I get this. Yes, you do. Yes. Oh, wait, what the heck? What the actual heck? Oh no. It is back. Yes, it is. You are funny. Yes, we are. I am a comedian. Your destiny has already been written. I think he is Palpatine. Last chance, Ash. Crash is playing, and we will rule the underworld for eternity. He really gives you the opportunity. Yeah, I'd rather stay alive. I actually rather. I'm not doing it. Yes, we are surviving. We are surviving. So weak. You gonna finish it? Are we gonna finish part 1? This is not the last time you see me. More. It's gone. Wait, he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? Who cares? Yeah, that's totally neat. Let's get back home. I'm about to throw up. Agree? Alright, let's do this. We won the game. Alright, everybody. Well, this is where the video ends. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to this channel.